Oh, I'm Mr. Kookaburra.
I've seen you do that to a real kookaburra. Okay, so that's where we're heading today. We're heading to Port Arthur, and then we're going to head up the east coast to Wineglass Bay. This is a lovely view I had last night and yesterday. It's 7:30 AM. We're going to go get a coffee, and then we're going to load the bikes up and get moving. We've got a pretty big day today. Everyone's just loading up, getting ready to hit the road. Hino's excited, aren't you? You ready to go?
Yeah, very excited, mate. Yeah.
You sound it, mate. Come on, give me something. Give me something.
Yeah, no, that's it. Pumped.
Mate, why is your bag getting bigger? Oh, look at this. Oh my God, look at this, the struggles. Push it down deep. Why is it getting bigger though, seriously?
I haven't zipped it down yet. And I'm knocking off towels from every hotel we stay at.
I wouldn't doubt it. Finally on the bikes this morning. Mine had a no start issue. I didn't film it again. These is going alright. Most of the boys are at the back there. I think everyone's there. Yep. Well, we'll go get some fuel and then we'll head off to Port Arthur.
The dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go. Don't bother me, 'cause with eyes that's been through life, it's so much easier to see who I am and who I wanna be. No, getting old don't bother me. Truth can be a bitter pill, but it'll do you right and set you free the way a lie never will. Like climbing up the steepest hill. Truth can be a bitter pill. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what.
Well, it was a nice scenic ride into Port Arthur, wasn't it, Hino?
It was good. Very casual.
Yeah.
Very casual ride.
Had the feet out on the highway pegs and just cruising. Done not like yesterday where it was
Full on.
pretty frantic yesterday. How's your ride in, mate?
It was alright, it's been stuck behind every slow driver in Tasmania.
Yeah, I don't think they're from Tassie, that's the problem.
Yeah, they look like hire cars.
Yeah. That's the old jail there, I'm assuming. Is that right?
I don't know.
Can you make something up?
Well, that used to be the shopping centre. That's where Westwood started.
Oh, it's the Coles and Woolies.
Yeah.
No, Woolies.
And up there was the miner's shop. And
Yeah. So what's up there? That looks like an old church.
so this is like supposedly like the village was back in the day.
So first settlers village, hey?
Yeah, with convicts and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. With our people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not the Serbians.
Our people.
It was our people. Oh, that place is up on the hill.
That one?
Yeah.
Courthouse.
Oh, that was a courthouse up there. Okay. Thank God Hino's here. I'm guessing that's the fort. Is that Fort Arthur? Skizzy. Mark Hinton, man of the people. You just know they're getting a selfie of him. Mate,
What's up?
you look incredibly
Excited?
angry.
No, I'm just incredibly excited with this tour. But I'm just trying to hold, emotional restraint. That's all.
You know what everyone loves? School kids on tour. Just the greatest thing ever. Such a pain in the ass. Hinchy fought one of them earlier.
And lost.
Oh, come on, mate. She's a pretty tough girl.
It's a little finger puppet for my daughter.
That's not for your daughter, mate. Oh no, it. You're a freak.
Kinky bugger. But there's more, look. Oh, now they can talk to each other. Hello, I'm Mr. Kookaburra.
I've seen you do that to a real kookaburra.
Should have heard a laugh then.
What else you got?
Oh, this, apparently it's called Sleepy Kid. You spray it on the kid and he falls asleep.
Literally chloroform.
Maybe.
It is chloroform.
You could use that on a Tinder date. Let's go.
Michael,
next level.
he's dark. So this is the 20-minute cruise that leaves Port Arthur, and it takes you past Australia's first juvenile prison, which was on that island there, and the Isle of the Dead, that island there. That's where 1,100 people laid to rest, being mostly convicts. So we've just done the boat tour, which was 20 minutes, and we've done a quick walk around the place. I'm not going to do it justice by telling you anything about it, but you should probably come here and spend a day. We've spent a good 40 to 50 minutes, and we could have been here a lot longer, eh? Could have came here and stayed all day. Like Hinchy said before, it's an absolute shame that this place is known more for one particular incident rather than the historic value of the place. They're the words you used, wasn't it?
Pretty much that, mate.
Yeah. So this is where they don't call him by the name, they call him the shooter. But this historic side of Port Arthur is where 34 people were massacred, shot dead by a gunman. And that was the changing of Australia's gun laws right there and then. What happened, Lee? Can you start again?
No, I don't know. But I think the old cafe, it was demolished. But you got to look at it. I'm not 100% sure behind there, I think, because I don't want to associate with the massacre.
Yeah. What happened here?
20 people died in this building.
20. Wow.
35 in total.
I'll see why are we keeping that bloke alive. Wasn't going to film in here, but there's two families that lost 3 members. Just a tragic, horrible incident. Yeah, that's enough of this.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. I think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, these four walls get so depressing. Fuck me and my second guessing, reading every text you sent just one more time. It's quiet when we both are sober, but 2 drinks in and we start all over again, and it feels so right. So just tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, or don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting.
Well, the drive in was certainly worth it. That's where we want to go.
Yeah, hour and a half return.
No, just there.
Yeah. What are you doing underneath?
3 kilometre return. Hour to hour and a half return.
No worries.
Grade 3.
Well, maybe I thought we could drive up to it.
Oh, it's getting very close to
5 hours return.
dusk.
Did you see at dusk you got to do 45 to 65 k's?
Yeah, in case you're a Tasmanian tiger.
Don't worry about hitting
What are you-
fucking deer.
Or a wallaby, yeah, or a deer.
See the sign's got every animal under the sun on it?
Here we are at the top of the lookout after walking for an hour and a half. Beautiful. Well, that was worth it. Just it was a shame. I dropped the GoPro. I hope I haven't lost the footage. Maybe I should have researched this. This should have researched
And a special child.
Mate, there are no words. I can't use any of that because now you've got to be politically correct and.
I wasn't making retard noises, they were
Oh,
whale
you
noises.
can't say retard.
For the whale.
You can't say retard, it's retard. Okay, the truth of it is, it says it's an hour and a half walk. We're leaving here a bit late in the day. So with all the roadkill we've seen in Tasmania, we don't want to be on the roads too late. So we're going to head to our accommodation now. The GoPro stopped working for the last part of that ride, but it's starting to get a bit dark. I think this is Bicheno? Bicheno? It is called the Winter Sun Motel. The owners just told me that they've been renovating and they look pretty good. Pretty nice, fresh coat of paint. Only thing about this place is no Ubers, no buses, no, what else isn't there anything of? Taxis? No sun, no taxis. So we've got to get our bikes and go get some dinner. But that's it for today. So bye, Shane.
See you tomorrow.